Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and I'm coming to you today with a new video. So usually when I do my makeup, I do not be having no intense cut crease. I mean, I really tried new things in this video and I really hope you liked. I went with this aqua blue colored pink or orange brown color-ish eyeshadow look, and also tried some new face products that I recently picked up from Sephora. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any new videos from me. And you know what, let's just stop talking and get right into the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you an intense cut crease. I'm going to be using a few new techniques that I haven't before and just see where it turns out. So I'm using this P. Louise base, and I usually don't carve or put the base all the way underneath my eyebrow. I hardly ever carve out my eyebrows. It just really just depends on the look I'm going for. But for this video, I wanted to do this whole technique where people carve out this whole eye space and create an eyeshadow look. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place palette with these 5 colors. And this is just going to be a blue-ish look that I made up on the spot. So I'm first going to start by the lightest brown color I showed you. And this, I'm just going to be packing this color onto the crease of my eye. And this is just going to give me a good base to start off with. The reason why I'm doing like a packing motion then a rubbing motion is just to ensure that all the product is showing and it's an intense color, as well as spreading it out to ensure that it's like a smooth look. Next, I'm going to be taking this orange color to smooth out the crease or the outer corner of the brown shade that I put, and this is just to get rid of any harsh lines. I'm going to do a combination of movements. So I'm going to do a packing movement, but then I'm also going to do a swiping movement to ensure that there are no harsh lines. So this look is already turning out so good. I was just surprised myself. And next I'm going to be taking this darker brown color just to put in the outer corner of my eye to give my eye a little bit more dimension. And I'm also doing the packing and smoothing motion for this color as well. After I pack on this color, I am going to be moving on to the cut crease. And so I'm going to be taking a little bit more of the P. Louise base I had on my hand and using this to carve out my cut crease. So what I've noticed is that usually when I do a cut crease or think I'm doing like a cut crease, I only do my lid rather than, or like wherever that crease starts in my eye. And I realize I should be going higher because you really want to start the crease where your eye dents in, and so that might not be where your eyelid creases when you open your eyes. It may be a little higher than that, and so I decided to go with that look today. And I mean, I like the way it turned out. It gave me a little bit more space to create my cut crease, and I'm just going to be packing this blue color on and blending it in with the brown. I'm taking a little bit more of the brown color to darken up the outer corner and also get rid of any harsh lines. Next, I took this lighter highlighter color to put on the inner corner of my eye to almost create like a slight ombre effect, but also just open my eye up a little bit more in the inner corner. Now that I'm done with my eyes for now, I'm actually going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I picked up a few new products from Sephora, and this part of the video is actually going to be in full speed or faster than full speed because, or faster than the normal speed, because this video was more about the eyeshadow look. But I did pick up a few new products. I picked up a Huda Beauty foundation product and I loved it. It was actually the perfect shade. I picked up this color from Fenty Beauty and it was more of like a cool color. I usually like to use really warm colors for my contour, but I actually like the way that this color turned out. And so I'm going to show you the rest of my face, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I was saying, I tried a few new techniques, new products, and you know, this look isn't bad. This is a little bit more than what I normally wear in general. But it was fun to try it and see what I could create using the Juvia's Place palette. That's just like a great palette for pigmented colors. First time makeup users, and it was just, I mean, I've used it before and I even have a review about it, so I'll be sure to leave that video down below. But again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.